So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Discord on your PC and laptop. And how to do this, let's get started. First, get over to your browser and then just type Discord download. Once you do this, just click on this first link and then click on download for Windows. It will automatically detect your device. Just click on download for Windows, and as you can see, it will start downloading. And once it completes the downloading, just click on the installer and just go through the process which it says and just install it in your PC. And after that, just open this and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, you can always create an account, and after that Discord will be ready to use. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.